Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we had learnt complete overview of the physical inventory. So we had learnt what is physical inventory, why it is done, phases of physical inventory process, then how to create physical inventory document, how to enter count and post differences, and physical inventory status of a item, blocking goods movements in the physical inventory document and what are the effects, and freezing book inventory in inventory document and what are the effects. Now we will take up the exercises on physical inventory. So what exercises we are going to do? We are going to do complete set of exercises on physical inventory. Like we will create a physical inventory document. We will start by creating a physical inventory document. Then we will set the posting block for the physical inventory document and check the status of the physical inventory indicator in the material master record. Then we will enter the inventory count. Then we will create the list of differences and analyze the count results. Then we will recount and finally we will post the differences. So let us start with the exercise 1 by creating a physical inventory document for our test materials. So what are our test materials? Our test materials are PH-100008 9 and 10. So before we create a physical inventory document, let us see what is the stock of these materials in our system. So let me take you to the SAP system here. So this is the warehouse stock of the material. I will so that you can understand this one. So I am going to the transaction code MB52. In the MB52, we will input our test materials. The first material, second material, and third material. Okay, execute. Put our plant storage location and execute. It will display the stock of the materials. So we have first material, we have stock of 25 pieces. Second, we have stock of 60. Third, we have stock of 40. So I have taken the screenshot of our materials also. Okay, next. So after this, taking the stock of the material, one more thing we have to know actually. So before creating a physical inventory document, so what will be the status of the physical inventory indicator in the material master record? So let me take you to SAP screen here. Let us display any one material. I am going to MM03 display material. So here I will just put any one material. So I think first I had to take 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So that is the physical inventory status of a material will be in plant stock and storage location stock views only. So put the plant, put our storage location, enter. See, we can see the physical inventory status. This is the one, physical inventory block. So it is also called physical inventory block or physical inventory status. And here it is blank. So before you create a physical inventory document for a material, the status will be blank here. So here, let us go to F4 here. If we go to F4 here, we can see what are the statuses here. No physical inventory defined for the material. It will be blank. Okay. Now we will create this physical inventory document for our materials and check what is the status here. Okay. So let us start with our exercise 1. Create the physical inventory document. So the transaction code is create the physical inventory document is MI01. I will show you the path here. Logistics, physical inventory document, MI01. So let us go to MI01. So you can put the plant count date. If it is in future, after 2 or 3 days, 1 week, you put the date here, put our plant, put our storage location and enter. Put our materials. The first material will be PH-10008. Second material PH-10009. Third material PH-10010. Okay, so just and one more thing here. See, our materials are all in unrestricted stock or normal stock. Suppose if the is in quality stock or block stock, you please select the proper indicators. Okay, for example, if you are doing physical inventory for another material which is in block stock, here you select the indicator 4. Okay, but in our of them are in unrestricted stock. So I'm selecting by default. Okay, one. Okay. After you input the materials, okay, for which we are going to do the physical inventory, enter and save. So physical inventory document. So 1000 ending with 43 is created. Now let us just display this document in the same screen. Physical inventory document. This physical inventory document number. Okay, and just press enter. You will see this physical inventory document. So let us note down this physical inventory document here. Okay. So our document number is, I'm just noting down this one. Okay, for ending 100 ending with 43. Okay. So after we create the physical inventory document, what is the status of the physical inventory indicator in the material master record? So let us, let us go to that material. See, before I created a physical inventory document, the status was blank. Now, after I created a physical inventory document, let me display for any one material. Okay, no need to display for all. Let us say for the first material. Okay, select the views plant stock and storage location stock. Enter. Put our plant and storage location. Enter. See here. Now it is the physical inventory that is indicated A. A means it is physical inventory not yet completed for the material. I will just scroll a little bit like for the material. Okay, that means immediately after creating the physical inventory document, the physical inventory status of the materials, right, it will change to A in the plant stock and also in the storage location. It will be same. Okay, A. Okay. Next thing. So first exercise is done. We'll go to the second exercise. Set the posting block for the physical inventory document and check the physical inventory indicator of the materials in the material master record. Okay. So let me go back to the here screen. So for example, here, this one. Okay. So how, what do you call that posting block in the physical inventory document? The transaction code is MI02. Okay. Change. Double click on this one, MI02. So this is our physical inventory document number. Enter. So here, go to header. Okay, because that indicator is in header. In the header, check this posting block and save. Save. So set this, check the or set the posting block and check the physical inventory indicator for the material. Okay, I have set the physical inventory block here. Okay, I will just make it again display mode. We should not be in change mode anytime. Okay, go to the header. You can see here it is posting block is set here. Posting block. Now let us see what is the status of the physical inventory indicator in the materials here. See, immediately after creating the physical inventory document, the status was A. Now after setting the posting block indicator, let us see what is the physical inventory indicator. Let me, okay, start again. Okay, select plant stock and storage location stock. Enter. Input our plant and storage location. Enter. See, we can see that the physical inventory is changed to X. X. Okay. So what is X? Due to physical inventory, material is blocked for movement. That means, we cannot do any goods movements for this material. We cannot either receive this material or we cannot issue this material. Okay. That is the meaning of this physical inventory indicator. Okay. So our second exercise is done. Let us go to the third exercise. Enter inventory count. So let us, enter the inventory count. So actually, the warehouse people, right, after checking the stock here, they have found this, that is the uh, first material, they have found it is same, 25 only. Second material, they have found one quantity excess, 61. And third material, they have found one quantity less. System quantity is 40. Here, that is physical is 39. Here, the second material, system quantity is 60, but the quantity found is 61 like that. So let us, enter the inventory count. How to enter the inventory count? Let us go to the SAP screen. Inventory, enter MI04. The T code is MI04. Okay. Double click here. Input the document number. Enter. So here you input the quantity here. First is same. Okay. Whatever the system quantity same. Second is it is 61. Third is 39. Instead of 40, it is 39. 39. Okay, just press enter. And suppose if for any material, if the quantity is 0, you can select this 0 count here. This box here. 0. You have to select only if the quantity is 0. Okay, that also I am sharing the information. Okay, after inputting the physical stock of the materials here, then save physical inventory document. Okay, so you got this one. Okay, so now after you input the count here. Okay, so again let us see what is the status of the physical inventory here. See, after we selected posting block, that is the physical inventory indicator was X. Now after we input the inventory count, what is the physical inventory indicator? Okay, let us see here. Let me put the plant storage location, enter. See, now it is changed to A, because we have input the physical, we have input the inventory count. So it will change to A. Okay, this one physical inventory indicator is changed to A. That means physical inventory is not yet completed. Okay, so that is done. Now let us go to the next exercise. Exercise number 4. Create the list of differences and analyze the count results. So here, what is the path here? So let us go to the SAP screen, analyze the count results. So here, difference list, the transaction code is MI20. Go to MI20. So here, in this MI20, you can see the difference between the actual quantity and the physical quantity. Just input the physical inventory document number, and also you have to, okay, which we are going to count. So the first material is PH-1008, 9, and the third is 10. Okay, input the, okay, for which we have prepared the physical inventory document, and plant storage location, enter your physical inventory document. Okay, and also if you want, you can input the count date also if you need. Okay, but this is enough for us. Execute. So here, it will display the book quantity. See here, we can see the book quantity means system quantities for this first line item is 25, second is 60, third is 40. But actually the quantity counted is for the first line item, it is 25, second it is 61, third is 39. Okay, so this one, in using this transaction code MI20, we can display the list of differences between the system quantity and the physical quantity, what we have found in the actual, storage location. Okay, next, finally, so let us, we can recount also. Recount. Here, the warehouse technician has found one more quantity of the material, PH-10009. Okay, so just we have to recount. How to recount? See, let us go to this list of inventory. Actual, see, initially, right, the warehouse technician had found 61 quantity. Now after the 1 day or 2 days, right, the somebody in the warehouse is saying it is one more quantity they have found. The total quantity is 62. So then what we have to do? We have to recount. So how to recount? The transaction code is MI05. Let us go to the SAP screen. Let me go to the SAP screen. Okay, EVSS screen here. Recount. Okay, let I am 6 physical inventory recount, right? Recount will become um, difference list environment. Okay, so let us go to the recount. So let us go to MI05. Okay, so that will be changed. Okay, inventory count, we have to just change that's all here. So by using MI04, we can recount this one. So just input our physical inventory document, put the fiscal year, enter. So here, we can change this one anytime. Okay, so as per the warehouse people, they are saying they have found one more quantity. So the actual quantity found for the second line item PH-10009 is 62. Okay, change the correct, do the correction of the counted quantity and save. So change count change for physical inventory document. Okay, so here by using MI05 we can change the counted quantity and we can enter the recount. Okay, that is done. Now one more thing here, how to delete a physical inventory document. See, we can delete a physical inventory document, but we can delete only before we post the differences. Okay, but after posting the differences we cannot delete any physical inventory document. So I'm just going to show you, but I am not going to delete any physical inventory document here. So let us go to the, let me go to the SAP screen here. Let me, the transaction code is go change MI02, put the document here, enter here. So how to delete this one? Just whichever line item you want. Okay, so for example, you want to remove any line item, okay, from the physical inventory document, just click on this line item and click on the deletion indicator. See, you will get this deletion indicator checked here. Okay, if you want to delete all the items in the physical inventory document, just click on this second line item, third line item, click on deletion indicator. So here you can see this deletion indicator is checked for all the three and you can save. Okay, so to delete a physical inventory document, we must note that we can delete only before we post the differences. Okay, before posting differences only we have to delete. After posting differences we cannot delete any physical inventory document. Okay, so I'm not going to delete the physical inventory document. I just I will come. Okay, so back. Then finally, what is the exercise here? The final exercise is post the differences. Last exercise. Okay, so let us post the differences here. So let me go to the SAP screen. So the transaction code is MI07 difference post. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, MI07 post. So let me go here, double click on MI07. Okay, so it will automatically take up this physical inventory document. Okay, enter. Okay, it will show the means the difference in quantity. The second line item we have found 2 pieces excess, and the third line item we have found one piece less actually. That means that is why it's showing minus here. If it is more, it will be plus, means no sign is there. If it is less, you will see here minus sign here. Now post. Click on post. See, we have posted the difference. Okay, after we post the difference, what is going to happen? It will create a material document and also a accounting document. Okay, for the physical inventory document. See, it is posting the difference. We will get the message. We will get the that material document here in the message bar here down. It is posting. Yeah, it has posted. So difference in physical inventory document posted with material document 49000030 ending with 347. So let us go to the MIGO transaction code here. The material document created is okay. What we had seen in the message bar is 4900 ending with 347. Just enter. Here we can see that in this material document, the second line item, which is PH-10009, we had found two quantity excess, and the third, which is PH-10010, we had found one quantity less. So whatever that quantity difference we found, that we will find in the material document. Okay, if there is no difference in quantity for any material, that material will not be there in this material document, because in this material document only those materials, right, for which we have found the difference in the quantity will appear in this material document. Now let us go to the accounting document. Click on the FI here, double click on the accounting document. Okay, so here in the accounting document, we can see that, for the, that is, that second material, PH-10009, we have found, how much quantity, two quantity excess. Okay, so that will be posted to gain in inventory difference account. And the last item, okay, for which, we had found, less quantity than the book quantity. So one quantity less we had found compared to the book quantity. So that will be updated. That is the amount for that material will be updated in the losses in inventory. Okay, because system quantity was 40, but the actual quantity was 39. So we have lost one quantity. So that will be updated in the losses. Okay, if we get more excess quantity, it will be updated in the gain in the inventory difference. And if any quantity is any material is in that is any material is the quantity of any material is less than the book quantity, then that will be updated in the losses in the inventory. So this is the material and accounting document that difference we posted actually. So this is all about exercises on the physical inventory. So if you have any doubt on anything and any comments, please give me in the comments. And also please give your likes, and also please subscribe to my channel. And one more point here, after we completed the posting the difference, also we can see the what do you call that, physical inventory indicator of the material as blank, because everything is done, completed. So nothing is there. Let us go to any one material. I will take you to the plant stock and storage location stock, and let us put the plant and storage location and enter. So we can see the physical inventory status here is changed to blank. Okay. So this is all about that is all the details. Okay, I have showed you on practical exercises on carrying out the physical inventory. Thank you for watching my video, and soon we will meet in another video with another interesting topic on MM. See you till then.